Good morning, students. Today we are going to focus on finding the volume of a triangular prism. Okay, I'm going to show you two ways you can find the volume of a triangular prism. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at number one. I would first like you to label each part. So here is the base of the triangle. So I'd like you to label the base part B, okay, is 5 inches, and then the height of the triangle is 6 inches. The side is the depth, okay, or you can say the length of the triangular prism, which is this. You could either represent it as L or you can represent it as H2, okay? Either one is fine, which is 2 inches. Okay, so once you've labeled your parts, you can go ahead and write down the formula. So one way to find the volume of this triangular prism is by using base of the triangle times the height. Okay, so this would expand to 1/2 times base times height times H2, which is this portion here. The other formula you can use is this one. I would prefer you all to use this one just because this one might confuse you a little bit. So again, we're going to use 1/2 times base times height times the depth of the triangular prism. Okay, so we'll go ahead and put in our numbers into the formula. Now we have a 1/2 times 6 times 5 times 2. So I'll go ahead and do this operation first. 6 times 5 is 30, times 1/2 is 15, times 2 is 30 inches cubed. Okay, because we're talking about volume, so our units here are inches cubed. Let's go ahead and look at problem number 2. So here our base is right here. This is our base. Okay, so we'll start by writing the formula. Volume is equal to 1/2 times base times height times the depth of the triangular prism. Okay, so we'll go ahead and plug in our numbers. Our base is 4 inches, our height is 5 inches, and the depth is 2 inches. So we'll go ahead and do 1/2 times 4 times 5 times 2. Okay, 4 times 5 is 20, times 1/2 is 10, 10 times 2 is 20 inches cubed. Again, we're still talking about inches cubed. Okay, I'll help you with one more example. Example number 3. Again, here is our base. Okay, we'll label each side. Here we have the base of the triangle B. The height is 9 inches, and then the depth is 3 inches. Okay, we'll start off by writing our formula. 1/2 times base times height times the depth of the triangular prism. Next, we'll go ahead and plug in our numbers into the formula. 1/2 times 3 times 9 times 3. Well, 9 times 3 is 27, times 1/2 is 13.5, times 3 is 40.5 inches cubed. Again, we're talking about inches cubed. Okay, so I would like you to practice the other problems. I'm not sure if you can fit in your work here. If you write really small, show your work on the side. If not, go ahead and write down and show your work on a separate sheet of paper in order to get credit. Okay, so if you need help with today's lesson, let me know, send me an inbox, and I will meet with you on Zoom. Okay, thank you for all your hard work and efforts. Keep up the great work. Have a good day.